In this video, we're going to review how to import your Insta360 images and video files into the Insta360 Studio application. To get started, open up the app on your PC or Mac device and drag your cursor over to the left-hand footage panel. Once here, you're going to select the yellow Open Files button. The Finder or File Explorer will open on your device, and from there, you'll just select whichever images or videos you want to import. Once selected, select the Open button on the bottom right of the window. If you're already working within the application and you want to import more assets, drag your cursor back over to the left-hand footage panel and select the plus icon on the top right. From there, you'll select whichever files you once again want to open, and then select the Open button on the bottom right of the Finder or File Explorer. And then if you want to preview these assets within this whole preview window here in the center, all you need to do is double click on it, and then once it's open, you can use your cursor to click and drag around the image. Make sure to check out more of our Insta360 Studio tutorials or reach out to the Faculty Multimedia Center for further assistance.